Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download a Baseball 9 modded version with unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this site. It's called zoomods.com. They have all the modded apps and stuff like that. So once you're on the site, guys, you're going to see a bunch of apps. It doesn't really matter right now. We're just going to go and type in Baseball 9. There it is, Baseball 9 mod. So press on it and wait for it to download. Now, if it actually downloads, there is going to be a one-step process, which I'm going to show you guys how to do. And it's basically a verification. So let me show you guys how to do it. We're just going to wait for this to load. All right. So yeah, we'll just give it a second to load up. Here we go. All right. Okay. So basically it says Baseball 9 mod installer. Please install 2 apps. Now the reason that this doesn't work for most people is they forget that they actually have to read the below each app and complete it. So TikTok, run for 30 seconds, Family Island, reach level 10, WGT Golf, reach level 10. So you just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store and you just gotta download the app and make sure you do the instructions on the app. So I did the Family Island one where you gotta reach level 10, but it's pretty easy. So I'll see you later. Be sure to subscribe. That's how you install the Baseball 9 mod. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, it fully works, guys. Super insane, unlimited resources, and Baseball 9 is so expensive and worth it. But yeah, just do the verification. You just gotta download like 3 of these apps. It's pretty easy. They have an AI bot you can talk to as well, which is pretty cool. And I haven't found any way to get around this or anything, so you do have to complete it. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in future Baseball 9 hack related guides. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.